Hi, in this video I will show you how to drop shadow to shape on Canva. Let's start. Go to Element and Shape. Choose any shape. We'll choose this one and download it and set it like a transparent background. And then go to Uploads, Upload Files, and select your shape and download this shape. Select uploaded shape and resize it and go to Edit, Shadows, and select your preferred shadow. And set your settings. Now your shape is with shadow and download it or design with it. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in next tutorial.